Welcome to another edition of the story behind the car. Unfortunately, the owner is not with the car, but wow, what an amazing example of a Pontiac GTO. Just gorgeous. Got the hog leg, great looking wheel and tire setup. And the paint is just gorgeous. Love the tail lights. Dual exhaust. Beautiful, beautiful car. So we're at Cruise in Lindbergh, and people cruise up and down the Lindbergh Boulevard. So unfortunately, the owner is not with the car. He or she are sitting up at the street watching the cars cruise by. But I just had to shoot this. Just such a beautiful, beautiful car. Very clean. Look how skinny that steering wheel is. Very nice. So it's a 4-speed and bucket seats, center console. Looks like an AC car too. All right. Thanks again.